friends, so we have our objective of placing the battle board pieces and starting the game. And let's go ahead and place this one here. Moving over to the enemy's board, let's go ahead and start selecting. And as you can see, as we select, the AI selects as well. There we go. Let's see where we can. We have a hit, 2 hits, 3 hits. Awesome. So still working on it. It's not 100% complete as far as the visuals are concerned, but this gives you a good understanding of where we are heading. And actually, majority of the internal logic has been already ported over and updated. And what we want to do next is polish it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on playing. The score over here is 11-11. So let's see. So notice that I'm not actually highlighting the board units where we have previously attacked. That's something that needs to be updated. So 2 more. So that's one visual that we need to update. But when you come back here, you see all the devastation from here. So this is pretty cool, actually. So let's take a look at all of these cool graphics effects as the explosions that are happening. We also need to start incorporating some of the sound effects and audio that's also missing. So in the next update, we'll go ahead and put those in there. So let's see where the other 2 are. So we have the 3-piece, we have the 3-piece, we have the 4-piece, and we have the 5-piece. The question is, where is the smallest board unit? And it's kind of hard to now know which nodes we already have attacked because we are not visualizing that. So I'll have to go one by one, and if we get lucky, there actually we lost. So we lost because the AI is 17 now. All right, so that's it. It's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and finish this. Pretty cool. All right, so see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys soon.